Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss how to perform Wilcoxon Sign rank test in JAMOVI and its interpretation. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel, statistics and econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the meaning of Wilcoxon Sign rank test. Wilcoxon Sign rank test is used when we have paired samples and our dependent variable is continuous but not normally distributed, or dependent variable is measured on ordinal scale. So here you can see I have the data on 20 students, hypothetical data, and their interest in mathematics before and after new teaching method on a scale of 0 to 10. So therefore we have ordinal data, we have paired samples because we are collecting the data from the same student before and after the new teaching method. So in this case we can use Wilcoxon Sign rank test. Now what is null hypothesis? Null hypothesis says that there is no significant difference in students' interest in mathematics after new teaching method. And alternative hypothesis says that we have the significant effect of new teaching method on students' interest in mathematics. Now let's see how to perform it. So first you go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of t-tests. In t-tests go to paired samples t-test. Now first you select Wilcoxon rank and untick students t. Then you prepare the pair. So after and before we want effect size and descriptives both. So here we have the result. So in this case let's see the p-value and t statistic and Wilcoxon test statistic. So you can see the Wilcoxon statistic is 174 and associated p-value is 0.006. Now this p-value is less than 0.05. Therefore we reject the null hypothesis and we conclude that yes, we have the significant difference in students' interest in mathematics after new teaching method. Here we have the median before and after, and here we have the effect size, that is 0.657. That means this value is, since this value is greater than 0.5, we conclude that we have the large effect size which shows the significance, practical significance of this test. So it suggests that scores significantly increased after the intervention. That is the interpretation of effect size. So this is how we interpret the Wilcoxon Sign rank test in JAMOVI. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.